It has been a year that nobody could have imagined. 2020 has created a lot of anxiety for all of us. Words like pivot, unprecedented, and new normal only serve to create greater uncertainty in our respective worlds. And I don't know about you, but I have tried to eliminate from using them at this point. Through it all, business event professionals have been resolute in their commitment to finding solutions for a better future. We believe recovery is coming. 43% of you told us you were feeling hopeful about the future in our most recent Convene dashboard survey, which is a jump of 10 points post-election in the United States. In November, PCMA held its first event since February in Sydney. Almost 600 gathered both digitally and face-to-face as part of our Global Recovery Forum. As we look to the new year, PCMA wants to help business event leaders and their partners everywhere shift from a tone of crisis to recovery. During Convening Leaders, PCMA is prepared to do what is necessary to ensure that your business, community, and career are ready for recovery. We want business event stakeholders everywhere to feel better about the future. We believe success begins with understanding how the economic complexities from the pandemic, shifting geopolitics, and rampant technological evolution impact our businesses and careers. To help us make sense of it all, we have secured New York Times Foreign Affairs columnist and best-selling author Thomas Friedman as our opening main stage speaker. He will provide us with a blueprint for overcoming the stresses and challenges in an ever-changing world, all streamed from our new Global Broadcast Center in Singapore through the studio at Marina Bay Sands. PCMA believes the future of business events is omni-channel, allowing for greater audience engagement and growth, plus customized experiences. At Convening Leaders, we will show you what that looks like. We will be streaming content around the world, connecting business event stakeholders. We will be meeting safely, face-to-face, through our official network partners, which is a network of content and experiences provided by some of the greatest brands, destinations, and venues supporting our recovery. We can't thank you enough for your continued support of PCMA and its endeavors. Bottom line, you can be part of Convening Leaders' experience how you wish. We know making connections is key during Convening Leaders. Sadly, the pandemic has created widespread displacement and disruption of your treasured relationships. Convening Leaders will help you reconnect with your peers and business partners through our micro-communities, meetups, and conversation starters. All of these activities can be found in the PCMA Kitchen. We started this in 2020 and are bringing it into the 2021 event because we believe that the kitchen is the center of a home, and we believe that this kitchen will be the center of PCMA connections. We know budgets are tight, but we believe the best way to ensure that your careers, businesses, and communities are ready for recovery is to connect and gather. And we want to make it as affordable for as many people as possible to participate this year. We're doing this through our simplified pricing structure. Whether face-to-face or digital, members receive our best deal, starting at $295. If you have groups of 5 or 10, save more with our enterprise pricing. It's worth it for the connections and insights you will gain. There is no doubt how challenging this year has been for all of us, but we have hope for the future. We all need to be ready for it. We believe business events will be part of the restoration of our communities, businesses, and households. This is your time, and it starts at Convening Leaders 2021. If you're interested in a behind-the-scenes look of how we flipped the script this year, please check out our free webinar series where we'll talk about the event strategy, our decision to go digital, and demonstrate our Juno event platform. Join us and your colleagues on a journey to recovery.